What's up everybody, my name is James and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're talking about dicing onions in a non-fussy way. First, what you'll want to do is called mise en place, a French culinary phrase which means put in place, or gather, or otherwise just get everything you need. So next you're going to want to grab the onion and just cut the very tip off the top, enough to give you a flat surface to work with very little waste. Save it for your stock pot, or you can just toss it. We'll cover stock in another video. Next, you're going to turn the onion onto the top side and cut the onion in half from the root side down. Then just peel the first paper layer on both halves. If you want to just make it easier for yourself, just take off that first true layer, but you should add it to your stock pot. I certainly can't stress the importance enough of having a sharp knife. A sharp knife is a safe knife. Plus, it's sharp. It'll do most of the work for you. And now take the onion and face it root side away. Using the claw method, 3 fingers in the front, 2 in the back. Using the tip of the knife, cut into the onion all the way down, but not cutting into the root. This will help keep the onion together when you dice it. Keep using the knife tip all the way across the onion using the natural ridges as a guide. The key is to make all the same cuts the same size. This will not only help with even looking shapes, but they will cook evenly as well. Depending on the use of your onion, the one thing to keep in mind is bigger sizes will take longer to cook versus small sizes will cook fast. If it's cut evenly, it'll cook evenly. Then turn the onion to the left or the right depending on your hand dominance, and make the same cuts perpendicular to the first cut to make the nice, satisfying square shapes. But same thing applies here. Try to make even cuts so everything cooks evenly. The remainder of the onion you can save for the stock pot. You may also have noticed that I didn't cross-cut into the onion. It's not really that necessary, and it removes risks of accidental cuts for the average or beginner. And as always, if you found this video helpful, click like and subscribe to check out more videos in the upcoming future. Don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out when the video drops. Also, you can follow me on all social medias. The links are down below. But that's it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen.